How to delete all saved chats on Snapchat. So if you want to delete all saved chat in Snapchat, I will show you now two methods on how to do this. Now, first of all, the first method, open up your Snapchat. After you open the Snapchat, now tap on this message section. Under this message section, now go ahead now and tap on this option now. Now tap on this, open the person that you want to delete the saved chat on your conversation with him. So in my case, this person, I'll tap on this message section. So as you can see now here it is a chat that has been saved with this person. So all you have to do now, just tap and hold on the chat. After you tap and hold, as you can see now, you can tap on this unsave in chat button. So now you unsave the chat. The second method to delete the chat, all you have to do now tap on this back. So now you tap on this your profile. So now here is the second method. After you come to this profile, tap on this settings at the top. Then scroll all the way to down. If you scroll to down and find where it says clear conversation, this one. So from this option now, you can go ahead now and find the person that you want to delete your saved chat with him. Let's say this person. So tap on this just cancel button beside the person name and tap on this clear button. This will clear all the saved chats that you had with this person. And that's it, guys.